J. Rossi Beats.
Okay, y'all, so don't mind the mess, but I just came home and I'm gonna be taking my hair down today. So I decided let's do a video on how to take out a quick weave, because usually my quick weave is loose and it's just like coming out, and I'll just put a little oil and conditioner and it'll slide right out. But this one is still tight, like the tracks are not just gonna come out, like they're still in really good, because it hasn't been that long and I want to change my hair up for tonight, so I need to take it down. So of course at the top you would just go ahead and take out the hair and the pins and everything. Of course this is the simple part. The part that's the most challenging is removing tracks that are glued on. So I'm just gonna take out all the pins and remove the ponytail, and it's so easy, like y'all always just do that. I look absolutely crazy, but the everything is still in really good. And like I said, I'm not used to taking it out like this, so this is the first for me, because usually I'll keep it in for like 2 weeks and then it's just kind of coming out. I'm gonna try something different today. I'm gonna try this C22 solvent, and this is good for removing like lace fronts when you use like Ghost Bond or different adhesives. So I'm thinking this should help like really loosen it, and this works amazing with it. So I'm just gonna spray some on, and I really like the applicator, so I'm just gonna spray some on around it. Come up over here, and you just want to put some on, kind of massage it in, let it sit for a while. Like, you do not want to just go in and rip the freaking tracks off, because that defeats the whole purpose. You want to let the oil penetrate and start to soften the glue up so that it can just pull off. Okay, dolls, so as y'all can see, I still have all of my hair. I got the normal amount of shedding that I would normally get, and my hair just looks really dirty, but that's the leave-in that I put in my hair. And then like the gel in the front is what make it look so dirty, because I just washed my hair a week ago. But yeah, this is my hair. For anyone who is wondering about my natural hair, I will just show y'all how it comes. I really kind of want to cut it all off and just like cut my real hair into a bob, but I don't know, and like start over. But this is where it comes, so like titty length. So yeah, that's my hair. So now I need to wash it and stuff, but that is how I take my quick weave out. A quick weave that's still kind of fresh. It was harder to get out. I definitely recommend, if you're gonna do a quick weave, for me, I would personally prefer to leave it in for 2 weeks, because that way it just comes up so easy. But if you have to go somewhere or whatever and you want to change up your hair, then you know you can take it down. But I wouldn't suggest putting one in and taking it out after a week like how I did, because it is more tension on your hair, I would prefer just keep it in for 2 weeks, and that way it's coming up by itself, and then switch out, you know. So yeah, or maybe don't use as much glue. Maybe I put too much, but yeah, that's how I take my quick weave out. If you guys have questions, leave them down below, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.